Hello friends, welcome to Computer Champion. Are you confused about the best career option for you in an IT industry? Do you know the basics of computers? Do you know how the internet works? Do you know the basics of website? Did you ever fail an interview? Are you worried to clear technical rounds in an interview? What to do if your computer does not work? Are you worried about failing in computer typing test every time? You're working on a project and the application failed. The whole project failed. Are you worried about that? Well, you need not worry anymore. Computer Champion is here to help you in your project, in computer training, and everything you need to know about computers.